Do you want to grow your business with Facebook ads? Or are you not getting results in Facebook ads? Just I am going to take 5 to 10 minutes to explain why we must use Facebook ads and also how I am going to help you to grow the business with Facebook ads. Let's get started. First, we are going to look at the top 6 reasons why we must use Facebook ads. There are 2.5 billion active users per month on Facebook, 2 billion active users visiting at least once a day. So there is a huge possibility to reach your customers. Here we can see the active users growth rate. As of 2019 December, we have 2.5 billion active users. If you look at on the country wise, in India, 260 million users are there. In the US, we have 180 millions. You can see other countries also here. In Facebook ads, we have super targeting tools like core audience targeting, custom audience targeting, and lookalike audience targeting. By using these things, we can reach the people who have interest in the product or service that we are providing. We can reach the people based on the age group, gender, interest, demographics, or behavior. If you look at specifically, using this lookalike, we can reach the people who similar to the current customers. If you make Facebook ads work for your brand, you can get results for lower cost. If you use Facebook ads, you can get more traffic, lead, sales, and revenue. In fact, I have generated more than 3 crore revenue for my clients in Facebook ads. Those results I am going to show in the upcoming slides. Stay tuned. Do you want to convert your visitors into customers? Then we have Facebook remarketing, which helps us to reach the people who already visited our site. It helps you to connect with the visitors and also you can convert them as a customers. Facebook ads have the simple setup process. Anyone can start the ad today. Without knowing much detail about the Facebook ads, it's a difficult to set up. If you set up also, you will not get a much results. You may face the ad may not get reach, or if you are getting a reach also, you may not get the results. So you should know about the Facebook ads, how it works, what kind of things we should consider when we are creating, what kind of things we should use in the Facebook ads. If you know these things, you will be able to create a better campaigns. Even you can learn the Facebook ads in 3 hours. Let me explain who I am. This is Suresh Rajan, co-founder of Nautica Surveying Technologies. In the last 4 years, I have worked on many digital marketing and Facebook ads projects. If you look at specifically on the Facebook ads, I have generated more than 3 crore revenue for my clients just by spending 3 million INR. I am here to help businesses and entrepreneurs to grow the business through the power of internet. Now I am going to show the results which I generated for my clients. You can see here, in the last 1 year, I have generated more than 2.5 crore for an e-commerce store. Here you can see another ad campaign results. I have generated more than 8 lakh revenue by spending around 2 lakh rupee. Here you can see another ad account results. We spent more than 13,000 KR and we generated more than 56,000 KR. If you look at into the INR, we have generated more than 3.8 lakh revenue and 3,800 registrations. Here you can see the lead ad campaign results. We spent just £1 to get one lead, which is lowest cost in the Europe. We have generated more than 1 lakh traffic by spending just 15 paise per click. Do you want to get results like this? In this course, you can see the 20 plus lessons. Those lessons I created based on my experience. Whatever the strategies, audience targeting I used for those clients, I have created this course. Along with the lessons, you can see the case studies like how I generated more than 2.5 crore for a business in last 1 year. In this course, I split it into three stages. In the stage 1, you can learn about Facebook ads completely. In the stage 2, I have created many campaigns already and also I analyzed the results I recorded as a video. You can see those lessons on the stage 2. In the stage 3, I will show you how to scale the campaign. Let's say you are running a campaign for multiple time now. You need to scale your budget or campaign for the next level. For this, there are some lessons which will help you to scale your campaigns. While on the course or after the course, you will be getting private support from us. We have a specific group where you can ask the questions. Then we will have a live sessions. In that you can ask some topics to teach or you can ask some doubts also. Other people also will ask the question in that you can listen those people question and answer to. Normally Facebook ad mastery course price is 2499. Since we launched, we are giving for only 499 for first 100 people. If you enroll today, you can get this offer. It may expire soon. I am very excited to meet you in the course and the live sessions. Stay home, be safe, learn Facebook ads. Once you back to the normal life, you can run the Facebook ads to grow your business with Facebook ads.